People out here, can you all hear me? A very good evening to one and all who are available live on the platform now. Let me know if you guys are able to see me, if you guys are able to hear me, if you guys are able to see the presentation which has been opened up. Give me a quick update. Hi everyone. You can use the live chat box. Nandita, hi. Perfect. Other people who are live on the channel as of now, give me a quick response from all of you. So if you ask me what is the objective, what are the question sets or what are we looking forward from this session? Let me clear it. In today's session, we'll see some of the previous year actual DI questions. These are previous years, 2019 actual DI questions, which we'll be solving together. I hope and expect the fonts are visible and you are able to see the entire screen also. So we'll discuss about how the LRDI caselets have been transformed over the years. Like from 2000 to 2020, how the caselets have been changing, what you can expect in the year 2021, the kind of approach which you need to keep for the given paper, specifically with LR and DI, because gone are the days where you have got stringently calculation intensive caselets. They give you a mixture of LR and DI, so it's a mixture of some logical part and some missing data interpretation caselets, which you guys need to understand and then solve it together. Okay, so you cannot actually categorize the level of questions what it is. Okay, so let's say I've seen papers till 2016. I repeat, I've seen papers till 2016 where they used to give 8 caselets. Out of 8 caselets overall, 4 were the logical reasoning caselets and 4 were the data interpretation caselets, right? But nowadays you can expect out of 4 and 4 caselets, I would rather say in this way, 2 of them will be purely logical reasoning caselets, 2 of them will be purely calculation intensive caselets, and the remaining 4 will be a mixture of logical reasoning and data interpretation together, which you will never be able to categorize what caselet is it all about. Okay, so specifically, if you need to understand what caselets are we discussing about, start solving papers from 2016 to 2020. These 5 years will give you a thorough exposure about the new patterns of LRDI caselets which are coming up nowadays. So it's my humble request is one is you start with the old papers to clearly understand the kind of distinguished LR and DI caselets from 2007 till 2015, and then 2016 onwards till 2020, consider it to be taken in phase 2. Clear? Both of them will get a thorough exposure about the kind of question that we are discussing about. So let's actually see the question type that we have taken for you guys. Small updates to follow us on Instagram as well as do subscribe to the given channel so that you get all the possible notification and updates from our side to follow the given exam schedule. I hope all of you who are live as of now on the channel are able to see the entire screen here, right? Now this is 2019 actual LRDI caselet. I repeat, this is 2019 actual LRDI caselet. Let's see, we'll give you 1 or 2 minutes. We'll give you 1 or 2 minutes to read through the entire caselet and then we'll be able to solve the questions together. Let's read the question loud. The question says, at a management school, the oldest M DOMs numbered 1 to 10 needs to be repaired urgently. So there are 10 DOMs which needs to be repaired. The following diagram represents the estimated repair cost in crores for the 10 DOMs. So the cost-wise analysis for the number of DOMs has been given to you. For any DOM, if the estimated repair cost is always an integer, repair cost in the range of 1 to 2 crore will be light repair. So if the cost is between 1 to 2 crore, it's going to be considered as light repair. If it is in the range of 3 to 4 crores, it's going to be considered as moderate repair. And if it is in the range of 5 to 6 crores, it's going to be considered as the extensive repair. Okay. Now these are categories. So depending on the budget, you can categorize what level of bifurcation these DOMs will be categorized into. So as what you can see here, the given graph gives you the relation between number of DOMs and the estimated cost. It does not signify that DOM number 1 will have how much cost. What it signifies is there are 2 DOMs which will have a cost of 1 crore. I repeat, there are 2 DOMs which will have a cost of 1 crore. There's 1 DOM out of 10 which will have a cost of 2 crore. There are 3 DOMs which will have a cost of 3 crore, then 1 DOM with a cost of 4 crore, 1 DOM with a cost of 5 crore, and then 2 DOMs with a cost of 6 crore. If you take the sum count of all the headcounts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 total DOMs. I repeat, the graph has not signified. The graph has not signified that DOM 1 will have what cost, DOM 2 will have what cost. It is a total number of DOMs versus the total cost which is involved per DOM. Clear? Some more data has been given to you. Let's read the question. The data point says, odd number DOMs do not need light repair. I repeat, odd number DOMs do not need light repair. Odd numbers will never need light repair. So if they do not need light repair, it's going to take values like moderate and extensive, which will have values of 3, 4, 5, 6. Even number DOMs will not need any moderate repair. So the values that can come here would be 1, 2, 5, 6. Numbers which are DOM numbers which are divisible by 3. Which all DOM numbers would be divisible by 3? It will be 3, 6, and 9. Do not need extensive repair. So it will take 1, 2, 3, and 4 crores respectively. Okay. It also says DOM number 4 to 9 all need different repair cost. DOM 7 needs a maximum cost and DOM 8 needs a minimum cost. Clear? That's what the data is all about. Now, if you read through the questions, you will get to see what level of drill you need to do in the given DI caselet to understand, to solve the entire question set that we have got. Let's read. So the second question says, what is the cost of repairing for odd number DOMs? What is the cost of repairing of DOM number 9? Values like this, which gives us a sense that what do I need towards the end before I solve the questions? I would need one particular thing. And what is that one thing? That one thing is simple. I need all the values. So let me give you DOM number and the cost. This is what I need. So DOM number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10. 10 DOMs, I need the respective cost of each one of them. I repeat, 10 DOMs and I need the respective cost of each one of them. Only then I'll be able to solve all the 4 questions which has come on that. But the beauty is that if you have figured out DOM number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, the respective cost, all the 4 questions you'll be able to solve. I repeat, all the 4 questions you would be able to solve. So if you have understood what is required, then filling up the caselet is the only thing that I'm looking at. Because once a caselet has been filled, all the 4, 5 questions can be easily tracked and solved by each one of us. Obviously, we'll use some of the data points which has been given to us. So what is the first thing that has been available to us? Let me again pen down the pointers that I have got. Which all pointers have I got? Let me figure out again that how many DOMs require what cost. So there are 2 DOMs which requires a cost of 1 crore. There are 1 DOM which requires a cost of 2 crore. 3 DOMs which requires a cost of 3 crore. 1 DOM which requires a cost of 4 crore. 1 DOM with 5 crore. And 2 DOMs with 6 crore. Let's see if the head count is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 DOMs and 10 values I've got. And let's figure out the other values which they have mentioned. What have they mentioned? Odd number DOMs will not need the light repair. So if I figure out odd number DOMs, odd numbers do not need light repair. So moderate and extensive will have values of 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, if I consider for even number DOMs do not need moderate repair. Repeat, even number DOMs do not need moderate repair. Moderate is 3 and 4. So which all values can come in even number DOMs? 1, 2, 5, 6. Next, values which are divisible by 3, 6, and 9, which is values which are multiples of 3. If I consider values which are multiples of 3, they do not need extensive repair. I repeat, they do not need extensive repair. If they do not need extensive repair, they would need which all values? They would need values of light and moderate, which will have 1, 2, 3, and 4. It has also been told values from 4 to 9, DOM numbers from 4 to 9, they need all different cost. I repeat, it has been given to us. DOM numbers 4 to 9. 4 to 9 will have all the different repair cost that has been given to us. 7 needs a maximum cost. I repeat, let's underline this part. DOM number 7 needs a maximum cost and 8 needs a minimum. What is the maximum cost of any DOM? 6. What is the minimum cost of any DOM? It is 1. Clear? So let's try to fill in the details of each of the 10 DOMs. Let me put the DOM number and the cost that I have to figure out. Let me pen down all the 10 values for which I need the answer of. So these are 10 values which I need. They have given you a hint. DOM number 4 to 9, you need all the different repair costs. Some data points has been given to you, odd number, even number, and numbers which are divisible by 3, 6, and 9. It has also been given to you that 7 needs a maximum cost and 8 needs a minimum cost. So what is the first point? I repeat, what is the first point which you will figure here? Would be 7 and 8. So 7 will need 6 crore and 8 will need 1 crore. These two values are fixed up, right? Now all what I do is, as soon as the values have been freezed, out of these 10 values, I'll cancel out the values which I don't need. 1 crore has gone and 6 crore has gone. Okay, I'm just checking out the values which is required, so that you parallelly are able to see through which all values are remaining for the remaining number of DOMs, right? Now which part is going to be easy? Filling up values of 1, 2, 3, 10 is easy, or 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is easy? Obviously values which are from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is easy because there are a lot of data which is available here. Similarly, if I look at odd numbers and the combination of 3 and 9, 3 and 9 is multiple of 3, 3 and 9 is odd also. So what is the overlap between 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4? We can say 3 and 9 will need only 2 costs, which is 3 and 4. Similarly, 6 is a multiple of 3 and 6 is a multiple of 6 is an even number also. So 6 will take which all costs? 6 will have an overlap of 1, 2, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 can take only 1 and 2, right? 6 can take only 1 and 2, right? Now it has been told to us that 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 5 DOMs will require different costs. 6 can take only 1, 2. 1 is already been absorbed. So it's visible to us that 6 will have only 2 crore. Is it understood to all? Every one of you have understood this. So it's but obvious that 6 will have only 2 crore as a value, right? Similarly, now 4, 5 and 9 are the 3 values which are remaining. 4, 5 and 9 are the 3 values which are remaining. 4 is even. Even can take 1, 2, 5, 6. I repeat, even numbers can take 1, 2, 5, 6, but 2, 6 and 1 has already come here. So it's visible to us 4 will have only 5 crore. I repeat, 4 will have only one value, which is 5 crore, right? Now what is left? 5 and 9 is left. 5 and 9 is left. Now 9 can take any of the given value, which is 3, 4. 9 can take any of the given value, which is how much? Which is 3, 4, which is given to us, right? Now, again, between 4 to 9, you need all distinct values. 5 have come, 2, 6, 1 have come, and 3 or 4 has come, right? So all the values have already been featured, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the only part which is remaining for 5 is again, 5 again can take any of the given value, which is 4 or 3. Like 9 can have 3, 4, and the availability is same for 5 also. So 5 will also have the same value. So 5 can also take any of the given value, which is 4, 3, which has not been taken by 9. Which has not been taken by 9. Clear? So these are the values which has been freezed. Now we'll figure out the other values which we need, right? Now let's see the other values which we have to figure out. What are the other values which was left to be filled? First, let's figure out the values which have to be excluded. 5 has gone, 1 3 has gone, 1 4 has gone, right? So how many values are left? There are a couple of values which are left. In terms of crore value, 1 3 3 6 is left. These are the value of DOMs which is left. And if you ask me which all DOM numbers are left, DOM numbers 1, 2, 3 and 10 is left. DOM number 1, 2, 3 and 10 is left. Let's look for 3. 3 is a combination of odd also and multiple of 3 also. So 3 can take any of the given value, which is 3, 4, right? But see here, we had only 1 4. So 4 cannot come here, which again gives us a hint that 3 will have only one value, which is 3 crore. I repeat, 3 will have only one value, which is 3 crore, right? Because 4 has already been taken out. So let me remove 1 3 more and let me take out one DOM number. Now only 3 DOMs and 3 values are remaining, which is 1 3 6, I repeat, it is 136 and 1 to 10. 136 and 1 to 10, which is remaining here, right? Now, let's distinguish them. 2 and 10 are even and 1 is odd. Let's see for even numbers. Even numbers can take 1, 2, 5, 6. I repeat, even numbers can take 1, 2, 5, 6. But what is left? Only 1 and 6 is left. Which means even number obviously will never take 3. Which gives you a sense that even number DOMs, which is 2 and 10, will never take 3. So 3 will go to whom? 3 will go to DOM number 1. 3 will go to DOM number 1. Is this clear? Now what is left? DOM number 2 and 10 is only left. 2 and 10 and values are 1, 6. Both of them are even number DOMs. Now if I see here, even number can take 1, 2, 5, 6, any of them. So either 2 can come, either 1 can come or 6 can come. But any of these two values can come between 2 and 10. Clear? So by doing this simple exercise, I repeat, by doing this simple exercise, we have understood which value can confidently be ballparked and which values you can obviously consider along with the other options. Clear? Is this clear to everyone? So if you ask me which all values, so with the best of our knowledge, which are the values which you're confident about? DOM number 1 is confident, 3 is confident, 4 is confident, 6 is confident, 8 is confident. The other values will have one or the other substitute. I repeat, the other values will have one or the other substitute, right? Now, if this has been done, you can solve the questions possibly. With the best of our ability, we have fixed up these values. This 2019 question. Let me remove some of the data which is not required because we have already filled in a lot of details here. We should be also ready with the question sets now. These are the values that we have found out. Let's see here. Let's see the first question. The first question says, which of the following is not necessarily correct? I repeat, the question says, which of the following is not necessarily correct? 7 is also freeze. Yeah. Which of the following is not necessarily correct? So we need something which is incorrect. Let's see. And you guys will have to answer the questions now. Come on. First, DOM number 1 needs moderate repair. Moderate values are which one? Moderate is 3,4. But 1 is 3 crore. Which means 1 is definitely correct, no? It needs moderate repair only. So 1 is correct. Will you mark the answer? No. We need what is incorrect. This has gone out. Second, DOM number 5 will not cost more than 4 crore. DOM number 5 is between 3 and 4. So which also gives you a sense that option number 2 is also correct. Third, DOM number 7 needs an extensive repair. Extensive is 5, 6. DOM number 7 is 6 crore. So 5 and 6 are extensive. So third is also correct. Last one. DOM number 10. I repeat, what is being told to you? DOM number 10 will not cost more than 4 crores. Let's see DOM number 10. DOM number 10 can take either a value which is 6 or 1. I do not know that. It can also be a possibility that it can require more than 4 crores, which is 6 crore. So out of the given 4 caselets, it's only D which is incorrect. Clear? It's only D which is incorrect. Is this clear? So for the first question, what will you mark? You will mark only option number D, which is for DOM number 10. Nandita, good. Let's see the next question. What is the total cost of repairing for odd number DOMs? Odd number DOMs. Tell me the total cost of odd number DOMs. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So I need to add values like 3, 3, 3, 4, 6, and 4, 3. Any of the given values. So you can add 3, 3, 3, 6, and 4. What is the total head count? What is the sum of the total value? Come on. What is the sum of total value? 3, 3, 3 is 9. 9 plus 6 plus 4 is 19. The total value will never change because it's oblique of 3, 4 or 4, 3. So the total value will not change. What is the answer for the given question? 19. Good one. All of you are correct. The answer is 19. Third, what is the cost of repair of DOM number 9? DOM number 9, we know the value, right? DOM number 9 will require either 3 crore or 4 crore, right? So if you know how to fill the given caselet, you can solve all the questions which has come. Provided if you have filled in the caselet really very well. So how does it start? First, you need to read through the data points which has been given to you, pen down all the hints what has been given to you, and then start using those hints where you see maximum concentration can be filled up. What I saw was basically 4 to 9. They are distinct values, odd number DOMs, even number DOMs, and then divisibility by 3 has also been given to me. It was also given to me that 7 has maximum and 8 has minimum. So maximum data points was given for 4 to 9. So I filled in 4 to 9 first and then solved the other 3 of them. Is this clear, all of you? Everyone, is this clear? Very well, you have understood the question, right? All of you have given me the right answer, in fact. Now let's again see an easy level question. Let's again see an easy level question which has come in the same year, 2019 CAT. I hope all of you are able to see the question well, right? The question says there are only 4 brands of the entry-level smartphone called as ABCD. There are 4 brands of smartphones naming it as ABCD. Details about their market share, unit selling price, profitability of the year 2016 has been given to you. So market share in terms of units sold, A has sold 40% of total market production. B has sold 25%, C has sold 15%, D has sold 20%. The selling price of ABCD 15, 20, 30 and 25 has been given to you. Profitability is as a percentage of revenue. Profitability as a percentage of revenue has been given to you, not as a percentage of cost. So profitability for A would be 10% of 15 into 4, 40, like this. So this is for the year 2016. The data in the table is for the year 2016. Similarly, the same data has been given to you for 2017, but there are some changes. In 2017, the sales value of the entry-level smartphone grew up by 40%. So the overall sales volume has been increased from 100 to 140. C offered a 40% discount. C offered a 40% discount on its unit selling price, which resulted in 15% increase in the market share. Each of the other 3 brands lost 5% market share. However, the profitability of C came down to half of what it was in 2016. The unit selling price of the other 3 brands and their profitability remained the same as that was in 2016. Clear? So 2 data has been given to you for 2016 and 2017. There are some more calculations which is for 2017, but 2016 looks simple, right? I am giving you only question for 2016, which is the easiest of the lot. And I'm sure both, this is an actual CAT question 2019 year. Both these questions you can solve without touching pen paper. First question. Which brand had the highest revenue in 2016? Which brand had the highest revenue in 2016? So how do you get the revenue? Revenue is unit sold into value. It is a unit sold into the value, right? 2016 looks simple. So you just got to multiply these 4 to get the answer. The last 3 digits are common and constant. So it's 15 into 40, 20 into 25, 30 into 15, and 25 into 20. Tell me which value will come up. The first value will be 600. Next value is 500. Next value is 450. Next value is 500. So let us say, Asra. So simple, no? This is the actual CAT question, dude. This is A. Azra has the maximum value in terms of revenue. Next, which brand had the highest profit in 2016? Now a step more. You have found out the revenue, right? You have found out the revenue. It was 600 here. It was 500 here. It was 450 here. And this was 500 here, right? I need a respective 10%, 30%, 40%, and 30% to find out what? To find out the profitability. It's simple now. All of you do it well, Nandita. Don't be in a hurry. First value will be 60, 10% of 600. Next is 30, which is 150. Next is 40% of 450. 10% of 450 is 45. 40% will be 45 into 4, which is 180. And last is 30% of 500, which is again 150. So what is the highest value? The highest value is 180. Nidhi, you have given the right answer. And the answer for the given question would be C. Now, this is a classic example of questions which are based on calculations, purely calculation. There's no logical sense which is required. Even if you're dumb in logical reasoning, that does not bother. Simple calculation, multiply, add, divide, and you'll get the answer. Both the questions you are able to solve well. So you need to distinguish. So this is the kind of proper DI case. Like the first question that we solved was a mixture of LR and DI together. So in the first question, less data, more of logical sense is required. In second caselet, you had got less of logical sense and more of data interpretation skill set would be required. Clear? So I hope I have given you some clear idea about the kind of question and the approach of solving the questions which has come in actual CAT. Cool. All right, then on this note, I'll take a sign off. Please ensure that you follow all the important links which are available in the description box. Be a part of the WhatsApp free night class, which happens every day at 10 p.m. Link you will find in the description box. Do follow us on Instagram as well as on Facebook too, so that we can give you all the possible updates for the given examination and be in touch with us. All right, then on this note, I'll take a sign off. I'll see you again tomorrow at 8 p.m. If you have any comment, you can ping me on the given number which I believe you have got. Let me again put my number, or possibly you can drop your message in the comment box so that we can go through it and the team will be happy to revert to you. All right, then on this note, I'll take a sign off. I'll see you tomorrow at 8 p.m. sharp. Till that time, keep learning and stay blessed. Thank you all of you.